that developing the infrastructure is going to inspire our economic transformation.
An LPG terminal in Kilifi has received its first shipment of liquefied petroleum gas, signifying a milestone in the expansion of the country's seaborne trade infrastructure. The maiden consignment from Nigeria was offloaded at Lek Gas Limited Terminal, a 10,000 metric ton storage facility in Kilifi. According to the Lek Gas Limited General Manager, Maurice Mutiso, the LPG storage facility in Kilifi County is expected to cushion Kenyans from high gas prices, strengthen energy security and accelerate the shift to cleaner energy across the region.
We had limited capacity before, but now with this 10,000 metric ton facility, the country is now better placed. The current regime, the government, has been pushing toward clean energy, and we believe that this infrastructure has come at the right time to help the country achieve a greener energy. With this 10,000 additional facility, we expect competition to be on top gear, and most likely prices will come down. This successful discharge marks a critical milestone in Kenya energy infrastructure development, enhancing LPG handling capacity, strengthening energy security, and accelerating the shift to cleaner energy across the region. This state-of-the-art facility significantly enhances the country's LPG import and storage capability and reinforces our unwavering commitment to clean energy and national development.
Over 500 women's groups across the country are to benefit from a financial and digital literacy training